Welcome to final day of coordinate geometry. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's move on to section formula. Okay, we will move on to this section of the chapter. Just using a different colored pen. Okay, so section formula. So let's consider 2 points A and B. A is x1 y1, B is x y1 y2. Sorry, x1 y1, yeah, x1 y1, and I don't know why I've written x2 y2, right? And P is a point of coordinate x comma y. It is dividing this line segment in the ratio m1 by m2, right? m1 by m2. Now we have to find out what are the coordinates of this point P. In simpler terms, like this is something which I've drawn here. If in simpler terms, if there are 2 points x1 y1, x2 y2, and there is a point which divides it in the ratio m1 is to m2, then what are the coordinates of this? So this is what we have to find, and that's what's known as section formula. So let's make use of what we learned in the last chapter, which is triangles, chapter 5, class 10 mathematics, NCERT CBSE. I'm just using my catchphrase for no reason. Okay, so if we look at this triangle PAQ, and so how come this comes? All of this has come, right? So A, we have drawn a line perpendicular to the x-axis, meeting the at R. From P, we have drawn a line, right? So what is OR? I'm just writing for everyone's benefit. What is OR? OR, the distance OR is x1, the distance OR is x, the distance OT is x2, right? Similarly, we have drawn 3 lines like this. So the distance AR is y1, the distance PS is y, and the distance BT is y2, right? Very obvious, self-explanatory. Now what we have also done is we have drawn certain lines perpendicular on these points. So if you look at these two triangles PAQ and BPC, this angle is equal, 90 degree. Okay, these and what else is there? These lines are also parallel, right? ये line इसके parallel है, तो ये angle वगैरह सारे equal होंगे. So this is similar. Triangle PAQ and BPC is similar. So if triangle PAQ and BPC is similar, then sides become proportional. This is why AA similarity criterion, right? Because AR is parallel to whatever, AR is parallel to PS is parallel to BT. So this is what comes by the side proportionality thingy, right? What is AQ? AQ is R equal to RS, right? What is RS? OS minus OR, right? X minus X1. That's what AQ is, right? PC क्या है? PC equal to OT minus OS. What is OT? X2. What is OS? X. What is PQ? PQ is PS minus QS. What is PS? PS is Y. QS is AR. AR is Y1. Hope you're understanding each and every steps, guys. You want me to make it cleaner? Sorry, I can't. BC equal to BT minus CT. What is CT? CT is equal to PS. PS हमने भी निकाल लिया. Y minus Y1. BT क्या है? Y2 है. Right? BT is what? So what is BC? मैंने तो कुछ गलत बोल दिया. BT जो है वो Y2 है and CT जो है वो PS है, which is what Y. So Y2 minus Y. So you have found out all this, right? Let me clean something up here because it's all a mess right now. We need to basically find x and y, right? That's what is section formula. So ये हम हटा देते हैं. Okay. Okay. Just a second. Let's just take another color just for fun. So we know all this, right? इसको हटा देती हूँ. We know all this, right? So now what is substituting these values in 1, right? What was 1? Yeah. So इसमें substitute करना है हमको. So what is PA? PA by BP we know is M1 by M2. AQ we know is x minus x1. PC we know is x2 minus x. Y minus y1. y2 minus y. So इसको सॉल्व करने से x आएगा, इसको सॉल्व करने से y आएगा, राइट? सो लेट्स जस्ट सॉल्व. Does this eraser get bigger also by some chance so that I can do it faster? No worries. Let's do it. Okay, so we will multiply both the sides. So I'm doing slowly. M1 x2 minus M1 x, M2 x minus M2 x1. अभी सारे x को एक तरफ ले जाओ, बाकी दोनों को एक. तो M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. That is what is x. Similarly, what is y? What is y? Looking at this equation, y भी एक जैसी आएगा. M1 y2 वही आएगा. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. ये हो गया आपका सेक्शन फॉर्मूला, गाइस. सी ना, M1 y2 माइनस M1 y सेम इसी की तरह ही है. M2 y minus M2 y1. So this is what it is. Got it? So what is section formula then? We have two coordinates x1 y1 x2 y2 being divided in the ratio m1 by m2. So what is x and what is y? M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1, M1 by plus M2, M1 into y1 y2 plus M1 into M2 into y1, M1 plus M2. You can also say M1 by M2 equal to k is to 1. In that case, x and y will be kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. ठीक है? Little untidy, I know, but I hope you get the gist. Main thing is that for you to get the gist. So if there are 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, and we need to find something which is like 1:1, right? So in that case क्या हो जाएगा? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. All right, I think you got the gist. So we can straight away move on to questions now. So ये क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, ठीक है? M1 is to M2 equal to 2 is to 3. These are the two coordinates. Self-explanatory. So 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 4. Sorry, गलत कह दिया मैंने. अभी सिखाया, अभी गलत भी कर दिया. Wow, so good. Okay, 2 into 4, 8. Plus 3 into minus 1 by 5. So 8 minus 3, 5 by 5, 1. Now 2 into minus 3, minus 6. And 3 into 7, 21. So 21 and 6, 15 by 3. 15 no 15 by 5 3. So these are the coordinates 1 comma 3. This is exercise 7.2 का पहला 7.2 question number 1. Okay, good work. Now let's see, let's look at question number 2. इसमें they are saying that this is a trisection, right? ये coordinates given है, trisection मतलब 1:1:1 है. So इसके coordinates बताने हैं. तो net हमें दो coordinates बताने हैं. तो we will first use this, if you know what I mean. So if this is A, if this is B, so we will first use AP by PB. इसको देखेंगे हम. Which is what? 1:3. 1:1:1. Sorry, 1:2. No, sorry. क्या कर रही हूँ मैं? This is AP is 1/3 and PB is 2/3. So it is actually 1:2. ठीक है. So we have to find the coordinates of P. We know what is M1. M1 is 1, M2 is 3. Sorry, 2. Right? We know these coordinates. So we can find coordinates of point P. Coordinates of point P are what? 4 into 2, 8. Minus 2 into 1. This plus this, 3. Just 2. Comma. नीचे 3 है. 4 into, not 4. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 2. Plus minus 3 into 1. Minus 3. Which is minus 5/3. So इसके ये P point क्या हो गया? 2, minus 5/3 हो गया. हुआ. Now similarly you have to find Q, this thing also. So what is you can, now that you know P, you can find, there are a number of ways to find, but let's do the normal way only. So what is AQ by QB? Wow, click the right click and everything is gone for the toss. So funny man. कॉमेडी भी थोड़ी आप देख लो मेरे क्लास में. कॉमेडी है या ट्रेजिडी है मुझे नहीं पता. AQ by QB is equal to what? AQ is what? This is a trisection, right? कलर चेंज कर लेना चाहिए क्या मुझे थोड़ा सा, तो कुछ तो समझ आया. 2:1. ठीक है. सो सेम तरीके से ही निकलेगा आपका. कोऑर्डिनेट्स यही रहेंगे, राइट? सो 2 into -2 -4 प्लस 1 into 4 4, 0 हो गया. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट तो 0 हो गया. वाई कोऑर्डिनेट देख लेते हैं. -3 कुछ गलत किया क्या मैंने? 2 into -2 is 4, yes. So now 2 into -3 is -6 plus -1, so -7/3. So this is the answer. ये आंसर है. बहुत ही खचपच. It's like a little messy out here. Let me know if you want me to make it clear. I can't promise I will be able to do it. Okay. Next question is question number 5. It says that there is a line. Okay, so let's just try to make it on the coordinate geometry for once, like on the x graph for once. 1, -5. Right? यहाँ पे कोई point है. 1, -5. And एक point है B -4, 5. यहाँ है. कहीं पर इधर है कहीं. चलो let's just assume ये है. So what they are saying is divided by the x-axis, right? So whatever it is, I mean, I don't know why I do like this. It's like this. Why is my hand moving like this? Clearly, I'm not very good at this. Okay, I don't know why my hand is moving like this. Maybe they're not. I don't know. Anyways, should I edit this all? I'm just removing it all. I don't know whether I should edit it or not. I'm not editing anything. Okay, this is the point. As I said, Padhi with Prachi means I'm also studying along with you guys. Sorry if I'm defending. Find the ratio in the which the line segment joining A and B, so there's a line segment which is just joining, so I'm just saying ऐसे join कर रहा है, is divided by the x-axis. So obviously it is like something like this, right? Divided by the x-axis. So divide by the x-axis का मतलब ये है कि इसका ऐसा होगा, like the y coordinate will be 0. Okay. Now the question is ratio पता करना है ना. So let the ratio be k:1 man. Let's just take it k:1. Why are we taking m1 m2 all the time? I don't want it to be whatever. Oh no. Okay. So let the ratio, I've already said let the ratio be k:1. So what does section formula say? Let's look at the x coordinate. k:1, right? k:1. So 1 into 1 plus k into -4 upon k plus 1. What is this? 1 minus 4k upon k plus 1. Now 0 equal to what? -5 into 1 plus 5 into k upon k plus 1. What does this imply? K equal to 1, so what is x? So net it is divided in the ratio of 1:1, and it is at the point -3 by 2 comma 0. Okay, good going kids, good going kids. We've done this question. Let's move on. Okay, let's look at question number 7 now. थोड़ा serious हो जाते हैं. By serious I mean I want to show to you guys properly. By properly I mean step by step as you're supposed to write. I am showing you properly only. This is how maths is done in our heads. I don't know what I have selected right now. I want to select pen. ठीक है. अच्छा ये select करूँगी तो क्या ऐसे होगा क्या? Let me learn. Oh, I don't know. Wow. Okay. I guess I'm having fun here. Should be, right? Should be fun. Find the coordinates of point A, where there is a circle. A एक point है. A, B. वो बोल रहा है find the where AB is a diameter whose center is 2, -3 and B is 1, 4. So basically you have to find x1 y1, right? 1:1 का रेशियो है. x1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 equal to 2. x1 plus 1 equal to 4. x1 equal to 3. So this point is 3 comma. Now look at y. y1 into 1. ये सेक्शन फॉर्मूला मैं सीधे कर रही हूँ. I hope you understand this. y1 into 1 plus 4 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 equal to -3. y1 plus 4 equal to -6. y1 equal to -10. So the answer should be this. Is the answer this? Let's look at the answer is this. Yes. Answer is this. Okay, let's move on to the next question. 8th question. If A and B are okay, it's a repetitive question, but I'm just doing it now that I've sort of said it. ये कोई points हैं दो, A और B. Find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3/7. This is AP. So the question is saying A by P is 3/7 AB, right? So we need to actually, हमारा जो section formula है उसमें ये ratio पता होता है हमें AP by PB का. So 3 by 7 AP. So what is AP? AP plus 3 by 7 PB. Now bring that on the other side. This will become 4 by 7 AP is equal to 3 by 7 PB. So what is AP by PB? 3:4. So now we have brought it into at least our same page as our formula. It should be fast. What is x? Minus 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3, 3 plus 4, minus 8 plus 6, minus 2 by 7. Y equal to minus 2 into 4, minus 4 into 3 by 7, minus 8, minus 12, minus 20 by 7. So the coordinates of the point P are minus 2 by 7, comma, minus 20 by 7. Next question, 9th. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining coordinates which divides the line segment joining A and B. I'm not going to do this all, I'm just going to show you the concept. We have done trisection already. I'm not going to do this now. So you have to find such a point which divides it into equally. What I just did apparently doesn't look like it divides it equally, तो थोड़ा सा और अच्छा कर लेती हूँ मैं, अगर मैं कर पा रही हूँ तो. So basically P, Q, R. So you have to find the coordinates of these points. What is this? 1:1:1:1:1. So आपको वैसे ही करना है. First take AP and PB. What is that? AP by PB, it will be 1:3. Then take AQ by QB, it will be 1:1 basically. Then take AR by RB, which will be 3:1, and use the section formula at each step to find the corresponding vertices. Let me know the answers that you get. I mean, I'm sure you'll get the correct answers because it's just formula from there on. Find the area of a rhombus if the vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4, minus 2, minus 1. So 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4, and minus 2, minus 1. Hint, area of a rhombus is equal to half the product of its diagonals, right? So if we look at the diagonal, what are the diagonals? First find the distance of the diagonals. Area is equal to half AC into BD. So AC आप निकालोगे, BD निकाल दोगे तो एरिया निकल जाएगा. इसमें कुछ नया है? कुछ नया नहीं है. इसके बीच का डिस्टेंस निकालो, इसके बीच का डिस्टेंस. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला भी यूज़ नहीं हो रहा है. डू यू वांट मी टू सॉल्व? डू यू रियली वांट मी टू सॉल्व? All right, here we go. 3 AC. AC equal to 3 minus 1 square plus 0 minus 4 square. 3 plus 1 4 square, 4 square. Root 32. 4 root 2. What is BD? 4 minus 2. 6 square. 5 minus 6 square. 6 root 2. एरिया निकाल लो. हाफ इंटू 4 रूट 2 इंटू 6 रूट 2. ये रूट 2 24. यही आंसर होना चाहिए. देखो क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर 10th क्वेश्चन? 24. We have done this. We have done it, guys. We have done it. Okay. Moving on. So I think our chapter is over. Coordinate geometry. Summary. So what did we learn? x1, y1, x2, y2. Two coordinates, distances. x1 minus y1 square plus y1 minus y2 square. This is known as distance formula. You can, कुछ गलत कर दिया मैंने, है ना? ये x1 है, sorry x2 है. Distance of the point, okay, coordinates and section formula. These are 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. A point divides it into the ratio m1 by m2 or k by m, whatever. But let's just do by m1 by m2 first. So how do we do it? m2 into x1 plus m1 into x2 divided by m1 plus m2. That is the x coordinate, and y coordinate is m2 y1 plus m1 y2. This is the y coordinate. Okay, how there was one more topic which we did, which was kind of a byproduct of all this, mostly the distance formula, was the area of the triangle or whatever that we learned. It was not just triangle, rhombus also we learned, that the last question. Hopefully you understood the concepts I taught today. They made sense to you, they were clear to you. And if you have any questions, you know the drill, what to do, write them in the comments. Email me them, and I can take them up during any of your live session or any video, or maybe just respond to your comments, or maybe just respond to emails. Let's see where that goes. So yeah, the chapter is ended. Till then we go on to the next. And you guys, Padhiye with Prachi, Seekhiye with Prachi, Janiye with Prachi, and like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.